My name is Xuanming Zhou. My design proposal is to design a small wind turbine for personal use at an initial stage for myself in response to SDG 7, clean and affordable energy. Although in Australia wind is everywhere, there are only 3.5% of electric generation come from the wind. There are lots of disadvantages of the current wind turbine. So I try to get inspired from the nature, which called a biomimicry design, to solve those shortage. Once I solve those shortage, I try to promote this small wind turbine to the market and change the current situation. So since it's like for my personal use, so the major stakeholder is myself and my neighborhood or people near me. I try to overcome the two major disadvantages of the current wind turbine. The first one is its efficiency. The second one is its ugly and the industry look like. For the first one, efficiency, I get inspired from the maple seat. Simply explain that it's like it can take advantage of the wind and take advantage of the turbulence and make it rotation much more efficiency. So as you can see all my research and all my findings and all the experiments in my report, and it's been proved that it's much more rotation efficiency than the current wind turbine. And for the ugly part, if you can have a look at my rendering parts for my new design. Okay, let's get back to me. So you have seen my design and my rendering design. So now I'm explaining why I'm designing this. So you can see I try to find the design, the beauty of the rotation. I try to get inspired from the nature as well. One day I look up the window, and there are rainbow outside my window. It's so beautiful. It's like half circle. So I was wondering if I make it, like a circling rainbow, and it will be great. Now that's what it looks like in real world, and you can see that's my rendering what it look like as well. Now also you can see the detail my product introduction here, and now I explain what's the other, why I'm using this color. So firstly, why I'm choosing the red in the middle, because from the research, the red can scale the birds. For the wind turbine, it's kill birds sometimes. So I try to use red color to overcome its harm birds. Secondly, I use like wood burning art to paint on this column. Why I do that? Like in nature the branch is like upward, so it's like the same vertical structure as my column. So it's very harmony to design like the branch upwards. Also, I want to use the rainbow color for my base as well. Although I can't do it in real world because it's by myself. It's hard to do that. I have to cooperate with the electrical engineer. I think it's explained why I'm doing two models, the solid model and the rendering model. Why I'm do that? Because for the rendering model, I can make it light, very fancy, interactive, which I can't do it by myself at home. But however, I still need a solid model to test whether it can drive the model. That's where I get the electricity come from. So surprisingly, reflection is that for this you can see it is portable. It's out of my expectation. My initially plans like just locate in my home. However, for this size, I can bring to everywhere. Like even go camping. It can charge my phone. So I think solid mode really helped me a lot. So in conclusion, the new design of the wind turbine definitely overcome the two major disadvantages I discussed before: the ugly appearance and the less efficiency. The new design will attract a lot of people and one day may promote to the market and change the current situation.